Today, I want to start a series of short videos that talk about social emotional learning competencies. There's lots of curriculums out there, lots of research out there that really fall on the same 5 basic social emotional learning competencies. And those are around self-management, self-awareness, responsible decision-making, relationship skills, and social awareness. And I love them. I love them because there's so much meat behind them. So what I've done is I've taken all of this stuff that we've learned and tried to pull out what are some of the things that I'd want my students to know in each area. And what would they be able to demonstrate that would show me that they have these skills? Because that's really going to reflect on their behavior in everything. It also is going to have a lot to do with their success later on in life with whatever they choose. So first of all, let's just start with the first one. And the first one is being self-management. Now, self-management is often tied into self-regulation, but we got to remember that self-management and self-regulation are also tied into perseverance. So there's that whole kind of big thing that we want to see kids do. So if I can't self-regulate, I can't persevere. I can't persevere if I can't self-regulate, so therefore, do I have self-management? Maybe, maybe not. No, probably not. So if I want to be able to regulate myself and persevere through difficult things, then I've got to be able to have self-management. So basically what the things that I pulled off 5 things that I think are really valuable that I've pulled off of the definitions of these references that we talk about in social emotional learning competencies. So self-management means that I can regulate my emotions and my thoughts in various situations. So I want you to be thinking about this. Number 1, I can regulate my thoughts and emotions in various situations. Do I have kids who can't do that? Do I have adults that can't do that? Yeah. Where do you learn that? Direct instruction. Direct instruction. So if you're thinking about, what's my social emotional learning curriculum? What's my morning meeting reflection circle stuff? You got it. Just take some of these and run with it. So the next thing I can do with self-management is manage stress. Manage stress? Hey, we don't have a lot of that going on right now, do we? Yeah, manage stress. Okay, because even with trauma, we know prolonged trauma becomes prolonged stress. So I got to be able to learn to manage stress. I got to be able to control my impulses. Boy, that's certainly tied into self-regulation. And I have to be able to motivate myself from internally, motivate myself internally. Super important. And I've got to be able to set and work toward goals. So just think about self-management in itself, regulating emotions under various situations, managing stress, controlling impulses, motivating myself, and setting and working toward goals. If those are the 5 things that I learn under self-management and I'm competent in those, I'm going to do okay in that area, all right? Super important. So take those 5 things, think about teaching self-management, and if my kids can get those 5 things under control over whatever time period, it's a good start. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.